Hi, I'm here at the Engage conference in Los Angeles, and I'm with Mike Pandel of Service Pro. And Service Pro is a service management software that integrates very tightly with Macola and with Sage Mass 9200. And I'm going to let Mike give us an idea of how it works and what kind of businesses it supports. Mike?
Thanks, Len. Service Pro is a field service and repair center management system which integrates with ERP systems to allow companies that have a service operation, whether they send technicians out to the field to repair assets that are installed at a customer site, or whether they're getting products back into a centralized repair center. It allows those companies to manage their service function in unison with the rest of their business functions. And typically, what the ERP system, whether it be Sage, Mass 90, or Exact Macola, in the case of this conference, what it allows them to do is manage all of their customers in a single record. It allows them to manage inventory in a single record and purchasing. So they can manage a single customer record, whether the information that they want to track for the customer has to do with a manufacturing or distribution related process or a field service and repair related process. This is really important when it comes to reporting in particular. Companies that have service operations are now typically looking at the service operation as an independent entity where they want to track profitability of the service department and use that as a differentiator to help in areas of the business where their competition may be commoditized. They're looking at service as being a way to differentiate themselves. And our system, in unison with an ERP system, allows them to have a single view of the customer, reporting that allows them to see all of the transactions related to a customer and how profitable they are, whether it comes to the manufacturing side of the business or the service and repair side of the business.
So Mike, I imagine that there's support for companies that need to do installation of products that they produce.
Correct.
There's a scheduling capability for field technicians and service technicians, correct?
That's right, absolutely.
Excellent. What about support for serialized items, lot-controlled items that are under warranty and so forth? How does that work?
Service Pro tracks warranties, it tracks serial numbers, it tracks lot numbers, basically helping our customers to be able to track where items are. I guess the most important thing they want to track is where is my serialized item. It comes into play because oftentimes service organizations have products which move from site to site, maybe one customer facility to another, or in the case of a product that gets repaired, they may do a cross shipment, they might receive the product back, have a serial number on that, and they might send it back out to another place after they've refurbished it. So they want to be able to track the warranty so that they know whether the work is something they can bill the customer for or not.
Okay. What about like service contracts and management of service billings? Does it handle that kind of billing as well?
Yes, it does, for sure. Service organizations, their most profitable work typically comes from their maintenance contracts. They sell the maintenance contract and then schedule preventive maintenance oftentimes at intervals. So the system tracks preventive maintenance in scheduled intervals, and it ties it back into a maintenance contract. So it'll track the cost of the maintenance contract, and then later they can track profitability of a maintenance contract as well.
Wow, sounds like a pretty robust system.
It is. There's a lot of functionality there for field service organizations. We've got 15 years worth of customer experience building functionality into the product, and so very, very deep functionality, very capable to help a service organization.
What type of industries is Service Pro implemented at? What kind of different businesses?
Good question. We have over 20 vertical markets that customers are installed in right now. Typically, the most common vertical markets that we sell Service Pro into are manufacturing, oftentimes capital equipment manufacturers, distributors, increasingly contractors as well, contractors who might do installations and then service and repair work. Those are three of the most common. Additional industries that are growing are telecommunications companies as well. They've got infrastructure they need to go service regularly, and increasingly healthcare manufacturers of medical equipment too.
Oh. It's very interesting. Well, Mike, thank you very much.
Thanks, Len.
Enjoy the rest of Engage.
Great. Thank you very much.